If your OpenClaw agents keep forgetting things, losing context mid-conversation, or returning garbage when you ask them to recall something, you're not alone. I had the same problem, and I fixed it. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the 3-layer memory stack that made my OpenClaw setup actually remember things. So out of the box, OpenClaw gives you one memory layer, the LCM. The Lossless Context Manager. It keeps your context from getting lost as the window fills up. But here's where it breaks down. It's keyword-based, FTS5 full-text search. If a specific word wasn't in the summary, you get nothing. There's no semantic understanding. It can't figure out that Docker setup and container configuration mean the same thing. Cross-session recall? Basically non-existent. Once a conversation is done, that context fades, and agents can't search each other's history. So I built a 3-layer memory system. Each layer handles a different job, covering short-term, long-term, and deep retrieval. Layer 1 is the LCM. I kept it, but tuned it using Lossless Claw 0.3.0, with 32 messages fully intact and no limit on compression depth. Think of this as your working memory. It's fast and local, handling what's happening right now, but it's not searchable across sessions. That's where layer 2 comes in, LanceDB. This captures conversation fragments as vector embeddings using OpenAI's Text Embedding 3 Small model. It stores 1,536 dimensions of data. With auto capture and auto recall on, every exchange is embedded and searched semantically. Now, when you ask about a pipeline, it finds CI/CD flow or container orchestration because it understands meaning, not just keywords. Finally, Layer 3, QMD version 2.0.1. This is the big one, a hybrid search engine that combines 3 distinct search methods. It uses BM25 for keyword matching, vector search for meaning, and LLM reranking using a local QN3 reranker model to find actual relevance. Best part? It runs entirely local. No API calls, no costs, just 3 local models totaling about 2 gigabytes running on your own machine. I connected QMD to OpenClaw as an MCP server. This means every agent in my system can query it across every workspace and past conversation. It indexes everything, workspaces, agent definitions, and history. When any agent asks a question, QMD searches across keywords and meaning. It uses a language model to figure out which results actually answer the question across every workspace and every agent definition. That's the 3 layers. So now that you know what the 3 layers are, let me show you how they actually work together. Here's how the 3 layers work as a stack. In a live conversation, Layer 1 LCM keeps the current session sharp. Recent messages are fully preserved. Older ones get compressed but stay accessible. It's built for speed and focus. Layer 2, LanceDB, is quietly capturing key moments and storing them as embeddings in the background. When the agent needs context from a past session, auto recall kicks in and pulls relevant memories back to the surface. Layer 3 QMD is the deep search. It hits QMD via MCP and gets hybrid ranked results from the entire knowledge base. Think of it like this. LCM is what you're thinking about right now. It's your immediate short-term memory. LanceDB is what you remember from last week. It's the semantic recall of your recent conversations. And QMD, that's being able to search your entire journal going back months. It's the deep archive. Each layer catches what the others miss. LCM is fast but shallow. LanceDB is semantic but only for conversations. QMD is comprehensive. It indexes everything, including agent definitions and workspace files that never came up in a conversation. Before this setup, I had 4 recurring problems. First, agents forgetting context mid-session. LCM tuning fixed this. The fresh tail count and threshold settings keep enough context alive for the agent to stay on track. Problem 2, no recall across sessions. Every new chat was a blank slate. LanceDB fixed that. Now, Past conversations are embedded and searchable automatically. The agent remembers who you are and what you did. Problem 3. Keyword search missing relevant results. Exact matches are too brittle. QMD's hybrid approach fixed this. Semantic search plus re-ranking finds the right answer even if the words don't match. Finally, agents siloed from each other. QMD as an MCP server acts as the shared brain. If one agent figured something out last week, the others can find it in the shared knowledge base. I'll link a detailed guide below, but here's the high-level setup. Starting with Layer 1, LCM. Install Lossless Claw via NPM in your OpenClaw extensions. Then tune your tail count and context threshold settings. For Layer 2, LanceDB, install the Memory LanceDB plugin. You'll need an OpenAI API key for your embeddings. Enable auto capture and auto recall in your plugin config to make the memory automatic and seamless. Now for Layer 3, QMD. This is the heavy lifter. Install it globally and let it download its local models. Configure your index.iml to point at your workspaces. Run the sync script to build your master index. Finally, start the MCP daemon and add it to your .mcp.json file. This connects QMD to all your agents. I have a batch script that exports LCM summaries, updates the index, and starts the daemon in one command. It takes some setup, but once it's running, the entire memory workflow is fully automated. The system gets smarter over time because everything is being captured and indexed without you lifting a finger. That's the stack, 3 layers. LCM for the present, LanceDB for recent memory, QMD for deep retrieval. If this helped, drop a like. Check the description for the guide and let me know your fixes in the comments. See you in the next one.